Welcome back, Leviathan race, as I proceed to give you what you need. My name is Alexander Leviathan. I am the Phoenix. This shirt was designed by me. I love creating shirts. I'm the paragraph breaker, the pack breaker, the paragraph breaker, the champion, the Phoenix. I do it all. I wear so many different hats. Well, not right now because my hat collection is pretty small after the fire. But you know what? I'm still very good at it. And I am your Pokemon World Champion and YouTube Shorts Champion. And since you came back for more, I will give you 4 more plus 1. And today, on the hit list to be broken today, 2 Evolving Skies packs. 2 of them. Okay, brilliant styles to go after. Battle styles and chilling rain will follow that up. So here we go. We go Ray hunting. I have no luck in collecting Ray. I haven't had good luck collecting Ray just yet, but I believe he will appear soon enough. Let's go! Oh, mark my words. Let's see what this pack has to offer. For the champ 4. Here we go. Rock Lee Energy, Snowleaf Badge, Bravery, Cutie Fly, Hitmonchan, Lotad, Sableye, Teddy So, Philosopher for the reverse, for the finale. Pack 1, what can we pull? Savin, the greatest herald in multiverse history, the one, the only, the duck, Savin Brass. As soon as I say it, I'll pull it. Rayquaza! It's the full art. I already pulled the full art, but guess what? I love Rayquaza. And that gets the tie, seal of approval. Oh yeah, that's going to be sealed up on a recommendation of my guy, my buddy, my pal, my friend, Corvxnite. Corvxnite. If it's not triple sleeve, it's not protected. Here we go. Get in there. There we are. Come on. Full art pull. That's what I'm talking about. I told you the champ would not be down for that long. No way. Brilliant stars. Pack trash. Cold card. 1, 2, 3, 4. And just in case there's a character rare, let's do that. Here we go. Rock Lee Energy. Gabite, Gloria, Staravia, Snorunt, Nosepass, Niende, Cupchew, Shinx. Mewtwo is the rare on that one. Can I pull something else? Character rare, come on. Woo! Yes! EV character rare! Let's go! Oh, yes. Get in there. Get in. Wait. Wait, is that the right? There you go. Get in there! Woo! 2 of 2. Character rare and a full art. Come on, keep it rolling. Battle styles. Let us go. Pack trash. Ooh. Code card. 1, 2, 3, 4 to the front. Fireball Jutsu. Glice. Indeedy, serving a tea. Phoebe, how you doing? Pawnar, wanna battle? Timber, it's a pig. Chill, Glamour, in a tree. Ooh. Cobra, I don't know if he looks sad or that's just how he always looks. Orbeetle, looking for a victim. That's all I can see from this. And pack 3, finale. Vivillon, which I caught so many times, I'm going to start releasing them. Chilling Rain. Let us go. Pop that. Code card. 1, 2, 3, 4. Here we go. Hidden the Leaf. Energy. Path to the Peak. Hatnerin. Lairon. Score Bunny. Snorunt, Diglett, Golett, Deerling, Volcarona for the reverse and for the finale of Pack 4. Pack 4. Greplock, for the hollow. Here we go. Get in there, Greplock. Hollow hit. We move on to the last pack of Evolving Skies. Come on, I pulled one Ray. Let's make it 2 in a row. Pack trash. Code card. 1, 2, 3, 4. Lightning, Energy, Blade. Bzzz. Shelcon. Swobat. Lombre. Hippo. Zorer. Zai. Yeah, he died. Rufflet. Drowsy. Sharpedo for the reverse and for the finale of Pack 5. What can I pull? A ghost. It's a ghost. Well, my name is My name is Alexander Leviathan. My pack breaking endeavor went pretty well. Eevee, I didn't pull this before. Rayquaza V full art, I pulled this before, but nobody can get mad at Ray. And a Griplock. Hello. And I will see you tomorrow for more when you return for more. I am your Pokemon World Champion and YouTube Shorts Champion. And I hope to see you again tomorrow. Please, Valor, send him home happy. Super V, please, bring him back tomorrow.